25% of 64 is equal to 5% of what number? Okay, let's solve this question now. First, we have to find this number, which is 25% of 64. So let's try to find this. So we can say 25% of 64 equals to 25 percentages out of 100. So we can just say divided by 100, and then off we can convert it to multiply. That's what it means. And then 64. So this just becomes 25 times 1 is 25, 25 times 4 is 100. And then let's divide 64 by 4. So we can just quickly divide 64 by 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Let's subtract this, we get 2. Let's get the 4 here, and then 4 times 6 is 24. And the remainder is 0, so 16. So this just becomes 16, and here's our answer for this part. So 25% of 64 is equal to 16. Now we know that. Now we have to construct our equation. So we are saying 25% of 64, which is 16, is equal to 5% of what number? So we can construct our equation now. So we can say 16 is equal to 5% of what number? Let the number be x. So x is this number. This is x, because we don't know this number. This is an unknown number. And then I'm gonna simply switch our sides, so I can just say 5% of x equals 16, and then this just becomes 5 divided by 100, because percentage is out of 100. Off we change it to multiplication sign. X equals 16. And then 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 20 is 100. So this just becomes 1 divided by 20 times x equals 16. And then what we can do is we can multiply both the left hand side and the right hand side with 20. So we can multiply this by 20. So we can just say 20 times this. So it'll cancel out, we'll just get 1. And then we can also multiply the right side with 20. So x just becomes 16 times 20, and then 16 times 20 is what? 16 times 2 is 32, and then we add a 0 in the end, so 320. And here's your answer. So we are saying 16 is equal to 5% of what number? Is equal to 5% of 320, which means 5% of 320 is equal to 16. Okay, if you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching.